Hey y'all know I got my new pizza oven. I've been playing with it a lot, and I found out you can cook a lot more than pizza on it. We're fixing to make some Cajun boudin pizza pockets. Yes, that's what I said, Cajun boudin pizza pocket. Say that fast 3 times backwards, see what happens. Oh, it's gonna be good, y'all. All right, y'all, we're gonna cook some boudin in the air fryer. Let me show you how we're gonna do that. Spray it down a little oil. We'll get our boudin right here. Boudin is nothing but goodness, y'all. Boudin is something we make out of hogs. It's just a sausage like. Has rice in it. Come on, get out of there. Let me cut you. Your sister and brother here, we're gonna separate them. Okay, we're gonna put that in there. Boudin has a little liver in it, rice, different seasonings. It's just really good. All right, now we got the boudin cooking. We're fixing to do some shrimp. And we're gonna take the stick of butter, the whole stick. Y'all watch this. Watch this, listen. Ooh-wee. And we're gonna get our shrimp. All right, let me show y'all something. This is a trip. What the heck? Somebody didn't take it off. Somebody didn't took it off twice time. Look at that. See that butter? I'm gonna get this. I'm putting a lot on there, y'all. So we're fixing to mix this butter in here. Watch this. Get out the way. Get that butter back on this shrimp and get them moving around here. Look at that. Okay, we're just gonna let this cook down, simmer in that butter. Might add a little bit more of this seasoning here, y'all. What y'all think? Don't be afraid of no seasoning. Put it on there. It's good. Ooh, we're just gonna let this cook, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to make some pizza sauce, but first thing I'm gonna do is it's a lot easier than you think it is too. First thing, I'm gonna wash my hands. Come on over here. Got our can right here. This is whole peeled tomatoes, y'all. You can always buy pizza sauce. It's a lot funner to make it yourself. We're gonna dump this in here. That's whole tomatoes, y'all. Whole tomatoes. Ooh, throw that away. We don't want that no more. And we're gonna pour a little bit of salt in here. Probably a little more. What do you think? Oregano. Yeah, you really want the dry stuff. Get the dry oregano, not the fresh. And y'all, I am putting a lot, and I'm probably gonna add a little bit more in a minute. Usually I use fresh garlic, but I want this quick. This is powder roasted garlic, and it's gonna be a lot better, a lot faster. Be easier to use. And I like a lot of garlic on mine. All right, y'all, we got that. I like a sweet sauce, so we're gonna open the sugar up. And I've used honey in this before. Honey, sugar, it don't matter, as long as it's good. I'm gonna put about a spoon, just a little bit more, not much. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna get my hands into this. Oh, now y'all see where I got the manicure over there and wash my hands, huh? If we had to do this, See, I don't like these pieces. We gotta get them out of here. This is something fun to get the grandkids doing. The more you work it, the better it is. If I had my drill, I could put one of them things on here and tune it up a little bit, but I don't got none. I think this is gonna be good, y'all. Now I don't know what to do. Lick my fingers or wash them. I'll go wash them. So I lied. All right, y'all. I'll scrape this up and get this shrimp in here. Got the boudin cooking down there. Look at these shrimp. They cook. But you scrape that butter sauce in there and the seasoning and stuff. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Let me check on that boudin, y'all. Oh, yeah, I think that's done, y'all. We're gonna dump it right here on top. Stick that right there. Cut all these off. Now we fix to play with some dough. throw me a little flour down. I got a lot of flour on my hand. We're gonna pull this dough out. Look at it. Oh boy. Throw it down here. Work your dough a little bit, you know. Now, I got this technique I've been playing with. Stretching it. I'll do another video later about making dough. Right now we're gonna make something to eat. I like to stretch it out, work it. Look at there, y'all. I almost look like I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna lay that out right there. I'm gonna get my roller. Some people don't think this is a roller, but it is. And it doubles as a spice bottle. I'm gonna get it thin. I'm gonna show y'all why in a minute. We're gonna flour this thing good, y'all. We're gonna turn it over. The reason we're doing that, because I want to see what's on the other side. Nah, this got to be floured pretty good. All right, now we're gonna drop some pizza sauce on here. With my big spoon, I don't want to play around with that little one. Ooh, y'all, homemade is always better. I think that should be enough sauce right there, to be honest with you. We're gonna get a few shrimp from over here. Ooh, y'all, look at this. Buttery, seasoned shrimp. Then we gotta get a piece of that boudin. We're gonna stick that right there. Cause, watch what I'm gonna do with the boudin. I'm gonna cut it in half. Woo! That's some hot boudin, yeah. Then we're gonna cut it in half again. Woo! If you never had boudin, you just gotta try it. Y'all look at that. We're gonna drop this right there. Drop that there. Watch here. We got a couple kind of cheese. This is sharp cheddar cheese here. And I got some mozzarella too. I like two cheeses because I just like cheese. You know, I'm a cheesy type guy. Now we're gonna take this thing and fold it over. Y'all watching? And y'all watching? This good now, huh? We got it, y'all. I'm gonna flip this over and put this on the bottom. And it is hot. Would you like to be my assistant? Okay. Come over here. We're gonna flour this up. Hopefully it'll slide off a little better. Look at there. We're gonna slide this in the oven right here. Now we're gonna just hurry up and wait. A few minutes, it don't take long. All right, y'all, I'm gonna throw a little flour on here. We're gonna pull it out. We got another little trick we're gonna do. About halfway through, I wanna show y'all something. Stop. Come on over here. Y'all look at that. Oh, wee. Is that pretty? We're gonna fix to make it prettier, y'all. Now, all I'm doing is brushing this with a little bit of olive oil. I'm probably put a little bit extra on the top, and I got a reason for that. All right, y'all, we got that all fixed up pretty. Now we take a little of this Parmesan cheese, sprinkle it right across the top right here. Look at there, look at there. Now that's gonna toast out and look real good. Now y'all come on over here, we're gonna stuff it back in here. Another couple more minutes, and turn this on. Now we're gonna hurry up and wait. All right, y'all, look at this. Look at the cheese pouring out of there. I put so much cheese in there, it's just trying to escape. Coming out the sides, look at it. Oh, we can tear this up. I'm gonna turn up the volume on it. Oh, make it dark on top. Y'all look, the heat's coming up over the top, coming back down, and it's making it golden and brown. Look at it, look at it. You can see it, as you look at it, you can see it turning. It doesn't take long, so if you turn it up, do not walk away. Oh, it's pretty, pretty, pretty. I just like watching it cook. Look at it, dude, it's just oozing out. All right, y'all, we did it. Stop. Oh, y'all look at there, look. Ooh. I'm gonna let this cool a few minutes before I cut it, because I know what's gonna happen. If I cut it now, I'm gonna take a bite and I'm gonna burn my lips. So we're gonna let this cool just a minute. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna cut this open and show y'all what we got inside of here. It's gonna be super good. Just look at this. I got me a knife and a fork. I'm gonna cut me a piece off of it and taste it. I am not gonna pick it up and eat it like I really want to. I know it will burn my lips off, so we're gonna try it this way. It's all good, y'all. The sauce is simple, but it's good. The boudin, that old boudin in there, the cheese. Hey y'all, if this looks good to y'all and you think you want some and you want some good recipes, go to blackstoneproducts.com and get you some.
Tonight you're cooking with me.